What is going on? Welcome back to Financial Journey. So today I want to talk about expansion, more specifically Saudi expansion. So I'm going to be talking about that because there has been a lot of news for Lucid and Saudi Arabia as one, so that is very beneficial. So I'm going to be talking about that and what that means for us as investors. In addition to, I do want to go over a very conservative price target that's just been issued. But before I get into any of that, making sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Greatly appreciate that. If you do like my channel and support the growth, take a look at my memberships, link in the description below, or just hit the join button at the bottom of the screen. With that said, let's get right to it. So this may be a recap for some of you, but when it came down to it, we all know 2025, 2026, the Saudi factory is going to go into full swing, especially considering as well the recent news. Ultimately, they did bump it initially. It was supposed to be only 150,000 vehicles per year. They did bump it up to 155. In addition to what caused so much hysteria is that they did say that they are planning to do 500,000 cars by the mid-decade. So that's huge. Whereas previously it was 2030 that they were going to reach that 500,000 vehicles. Again, this is just a recap. Still a lot of huge things. And like I said, anything to do with Saudi Arabia causes Lucid to go up because they have so much backing to it. And especially based on the recent news as well, they have been showing that they are still very much interested in Lucid. More specifically, even the 13F, they maintain their position. So the fact that we've gone down such significant levels, but yet they still maintain their position, it goes to show their 2030 plan. And keeping in line with that 2030 plan, and keep in mind, like I just said, they did bump it from 150 to 155,000 vehicles per year, and now they bumped it up again, almost 100%. Actually, 100% to be exact. 300,000 vehicles is their target by 2030. That is a massive deal. And of that 300,000, they're looking to export 85%. So this hands down is a very big deal, because hypothetically, it's just been rumored around there. Nobody's really known what Saudi Arabia is going to be doing. Where are they going to be putting their vehicles, all that. Obviously, the most reasonable assumption that we can make is that they were going to be shipping it to Europe, which obviously I've been saying in a lot of live streams, videos for quite some time. But this, hands down, is the first article that does exactly say what their intention is going to be doing. Obviously, again, like I said, it's been largely assumptions and things like that. But when it comes down to it, it does look like they're doing up to 85%. So that is pretty big, especially like I said, Europe has a huge demand, and Saudi Arabia now bumping it up to 300,000 vehicles per year. That is absolutely insane. It matches exactly with their 2030 plan. So this, hands down, is the news I wanted to share, tie it all together, because this is very beneficial, especially if you tie that 300,000 vehicles in with the AMP facility in Arizona, which has a full capacity of 365,000 vehicles per year. So if you tie those together, that goes to show that there is a lot of big things coming for Lucid's way. Even hypothetically, even if they only do 60% of that total target, that's still very much impressive. And even if you do compare that with Tesla, as far as on the same time period, same length and everything, it goes to show Lucid will hypothetically be above Tesla, even factoring in even only 60% of the total amount. So keep that in mind. And this is a breakdown of all of Tesla's deliveries from start to pretty much 2021. So you can go to show we would be exactly equivalently in 2019 by our 2030. So just keep that in mind as well. So if we are, like I said, even 60% of 665,000 vehicles per year, that is both the AMP facility and Saudi Arabia facility, we are well above Tesla. So just keep that in mind. A lot of people seem to be very doubtful of Lucid, but goes to show even on a reduced scale, we are better than Tesla. Even if we are meeting that full capable amount that we can do, maxing out AMP facility and Saudi Arabia facility, we will massively outdo Tesla. So just keep that in mind. And finally, to cap it all off, a lot of people have been talking about price predictions, where things might go, blah, 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 by 2025, 2026. A lot of things are going to be changing by that time frame, especially, like I said, with the Saudi Arabia factory kicking in 2025, 26. A lot of big things are going to be coming Lucid's way, but more specifically, there's this website that did point out, hypothetically, and I do feel that this is a little bit low, but still, it's one of the first actual websites to issue a 5-year price target. A reason reasonable one at that, I should say, and it's $119.16. So take that how you see that. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Me personally, I think that will be done next year. We don't need that 5 years out. So again, let me know your thoughts in the comments below and what your 5-year price target is on Lucid. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Greatly appreciate that. If you like my channel and support the growth, take a look at my memberships, link in the description below, or just hit the join button at the bottom of the screen. With that said, appreciate you guys watching, and let's all make a lot of money on Lucid.